past few days, a lot of customers had tweeted and a lot of reports had cited these mails that have gone through from banks, including HDFC Bank, SBI cards, saying that, warning customers against not using their platforms for trading in cryptocurrencies, not using their platforms for any settlement of cryptocurrency transactions, etc. Now, after all these things and after a lot of confusion, finally RBI has put out a clarification on customer due diligence for transactions in virtual currencies. It is important to note that the mails that had gone out from HDFC Bank as well as SBI had cited the 2018 RBI circular, through which they had said that regulated entities under the RBI are not allowed to facilitate any cryptocurrency transactions, which is why the customers should too not be doing these transactions, and they will have to sever ties with these customers if they continue to do so. Now, what the RBI has said is that 2018 circular was quashed by the Supreme Court on 4th of March 2020 in a judgment, and RBI has said that any such reference that is being made to the 2018 circular is not in order. They have said that these mails have come to their notice, which is why they are issuing this clarification. They have additionally clarified that the regulation was set aside by the Supreme Court judgment. It cannot be cited or quoted from because it is no longer valid from the date of the Supreme Court judgment of March 4, 2020. They have definitely said, RBI has said that banks can continue to carry out customer due diligence processes in line with other regulations, whether it is KYC norms or PMLA or anti-money laundering, FEMA. All of these things should be kept in mind if customers are doing any transactions in cryptocurrencies, but they should not be referring to the 2018 circular, which says that regulated entities cannot let any customers or facilitate any crypto transactions at all, because that has been clearly set aside by the Supreme Court. Now, just to take a look at these mails that had gone through HDFC Bank as well as SBI cards to their customers, some of which we have also accessed, and a lot of customers have shared these too. HDFC Bank had said that banks need to exit relationships with customers dealing with virtual currencies as per the 2018 RBI guidelines. The mail also asked customers to visit the nearest branch within 30 days to clarify on the transactions. They have said that they will have to sever ties with these customers if they are dealing in virtual currencies. So they had asked customers for a clarification if they have done any such transaction in their accounts which are visible, which look like cryptocurrency transactions. Now, in the mail by SBI card, they had said that usage of credit card for transactions on virtual currency on merchant platforms may lead to suspension or cancellation of these cards. And this is again, they had cited the RBI 2018 order circular, saying that that is the reason why any regulated entity, including SBI card, cannot allow these transactions to happen. Now, very important to watch out for what exactly will banks do if they really want to discourage customers from using their platforms completely for any crypto transactions, because it seems like this was the outlook of banks, although they have quoted a circular which is no longer valid. This is definitely a clearly win for customers, for crypto exchanges. A lot of crypto exchanges and a lot of industry voices were really confused as to how they have been quoting the 2018 circular when it is no longer valid. So that is very important to watch out for. A lot of people are of the view that this just calls out for more clarity on regulations and guidelines on crypto from the government, from the RBI, so that there is no confusion in the minds of banks, in the minds of customers either.